Yeah, this is my bike check. It's an Eastern Grim Reaper 2 frame. I'm going to start off with the front. Front we got Aaron Ross spacebars, shadow attack stem, ODI long neck grips, snafu bar ends, Sunday morning forks, Odyssey quadrant front wheel laced to an Odyssey Vandero 2 front hub, and the frame obviously Eastern Grim Reaper. The UGP sprocket, salt cranks, snafu metal pedals, Odyssey Senior 2 seat, Primo balance 7 series wheel in the back leads to a Primo mix hub, and yeah, that's my bike check.